again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery in the backyard, and you're looking at a 12-inch by 24-inch black prime dry canvas. And they were on sale today at Michael's, so I got a couple more, so I'm feeling kind of frisky about using this one. And I have fully half a container of gorgeous colors left from my last painting that was supposed to be a ring pour and wound up being dots. And they're beautiful dots, so I'm thinking more beautiful dots sounds like a plan to me. So, no, there's not particularly any massive skill level involved, but there is a lot of fun involved, and that's pretty much all I require. So I'm going to throw a couple more colors in there, and maybe some gold and maybe some more white. I think some white would be good. And maybe some pearl would be good. And where is my pearl? I have hidden it on myself. That'll come later. But in the meantime, whatever colors I want to start with, I'm going to put in the end of this cup and hope that I can maybe get them to come out. I want an obnoxious color, so an obnoxious color is my favorite color, is the purple neon from Folk Art. When it comes out, I've been out here just long enough for my bottles to start to seize up. I got to be really careful with this particular cup because the paint color runs down the side. I see that thing that does not belong. There's seeds and bugs. Everything's blowing in the wind today. But I don't think I'll tip this. But I don't think a lot of things, and then a lot of things happen. So I'm going to keep trying to keep from splooging on the canvas. And I'm going to give myself permission to add new things to the centers if I so desire. I want some really raucous red and pink. Oh, there's the magenta I'm looking for. Stranger the better. Ah, already destroyed my plan. Okay, never mind. I expect there will be plenty of dots, and I could just call this blowing in the wind. They don't seem to want to stay round. Maybe I will rotate a few things, because I can, because it's fun. There's also chains and stuff, but chains don't work unless you have a nice wet background. In my last canvas I thought I might do that because I had a nice primed layer of white. But I have been playing with this theory and talking about this theory of warming the paint up and setting it so it doesn't move. But I think what I want to do is spiral one out because I can. The name of my book on the Amazon link below the video is Because I Can. The first volume anyway. So what else do I want in there? I want some green, and I didn't put it out here. Why not? It's a metallic. There it is. It's a metallic. It's so much better when you shake it because then you don't get Floetrol as your first drop. Yeah, that's pretty stunning. But I think it's going to get stirred in a little too. Just a little green dot in the center. Why not? I can do it if I want to. Yeah, I'm just making it up as I go along at this point. Purple looks great with greens. And that's my gold mica powder. I'm not sure red and green would be my first choice. I don't have nearly enough orange in there. That's a strange pink, but it does seem to wind up working well. I'll just make a bunch of dots with purple in the center and then we'll be all set. I know, I'm a little whack right now, but that's okay. The wind is having its way with my artwork right now, so. I'm just going to make myself, maybe I'll just make them into flowers. That sounds like a plan. I like that plan. A night garden. I just put stems down. Why not? There's some orange. I'm going to need to clear that tip. Goody, I'm always happy when I see that I have remembered to set my timer. because it doesn't always happen. The yellow does actually show up on the black, which is kind of nice. Throw a little white in there. I tried to put some pearl here, so I'm going to do that. So make sure that the tip is log free. If I want something else that's obnoxious, I might. Can I just have what I want, please? I have a thinner tip skewer. I think it would work better. The thing is, I'm not piercing them all the way. Yep, I'm just going to have a bunch of buds. I know what that sounded like. Somebody's saying it out there in the audience. She's got a bunch of buds. Light one up. No, I'm just kidding. Not my thing. Those are some strange colors. I think I like my new idea of spiraling things. Goodbye thing, I don't know what you are, but you're not going to be here anymore. I have some beautiful red orange. Yeah, why not make a funky garden? I mean, I have made a lot of gardens recently. No two are the same. I like that, but I want more of that yellow. I don't know if I can have it or not. Looks like I'm going to get everything else with it. I need to do another painting. And use my paint up. I have some incredibly beautiful turquoise and blue on this other side. And I think that's definitely, whoops, that's going there. Are we going to like what it added to itself? Maybe I will, that is a gorgeous blue. I don't even know where that came from. I think that's a combination of things. Just going to add a little something that I want in there. I can always go back and add some more stuff later too. I like the idea of some pink as the beginning place for something else. I'm going to have to clean up my cup in a second. Not so sure. I've got a bunch of green gold in the center in there, and it's not making me super duper happy. Black and white one. I haven't done any of those. Well, I don't really have any ready either, so what I was doing was grabbing a scoop and using it to pour little things out. So maybe I'll do that again. It seems to be a lot faster and a lot less messy. There's every color in here. So I kind of think we might as well use them up. They are going to spread together at some point, but seeming that there's no white paint in the background, it shouldn't be the issue it was on the other piece. Except for the blowing of the breeze. Maybe if I'm very cautious. Now, I don't understand why that went sideways. I don't know how good they're gonna look. I don't know if I can do it everywhere. I've got some great patterns popping, and there's no silicone in my mix. Yeah, that'll camouflage that. That's a different kind of flower in this garden. That looks more like a stem than anything down there. Not sure about that pink anymore. Wonder what else is in there. I think I might regret that. I am just playing. But there's a kind of need to make everything look a little similar. If we're going to go ahead with the flower theme. Got a lot of paint in those flowers because they didn't get tipped. I could work on this and play with it for quite a while. I don't have that long trying to make a movie in 20 minutes, but there's no rule that says I have to do it in 20 minutes either. I'm definitely thinking I'd like to do something else to that mostly red one. And it's nice I've got cells in spite of the fact that we haven't torched, because I really don't want to set up the surface of the paint. Yes, I did. Hey, the name of my book is Because I Can. And that's why that just happened. Because I can. And you can too. Yeah, I was getting kind of lost and not talking to you guys. I'm sorry about that. I get focused on what I'm doing sometimes. I don't know how that looks straight on. It's kind of different. Kind of wish I had some other colors in my cup anymore. They're nice, but they're not really what I want at the moment. So I will just use some more up because I have them and I started, so I might as well finish, right? Kind of want some pink in there. We are mostly just experimenting. It'd be nice if things would stay, but you really can't count on that. If you've got a big flowing mass of acrylic paint with pouring medium in it, there's no guarantees. I wonder if I'm going to like them when they start to run into each other. Just make some abstract patterns. Not sure. Not sure yet, anyway. I just leaned on the bottom. So I got 1 minute left before my timer goes off and tells me that it's time to tell you guys other stuff. Like, I got Teespring clothing below the video. And if you buy stuff there, you help me out. If you want to shop the Amazon link, you help me out too at no added cost to you. And my cool tools are there. My gold mica powder. You can always ask me questions, especially the recipe to things if you need one. And I'll get back to you as soon as I can. I have a Facebook group called the Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation. And that's where people go to try out stuff I'm doing and other stuff and share that other stuff with people who are generous with their compliments and kind by nature. And we have a good time there. Some people are making some awesome art. I am just playing a little bit. And this is kind of cool. But I got 2 minutes left, and that's probably not enough time for me to decide exactly what I want to do with everything. By any stretch of the imagination. But there's all kinds of stuff to do. And I want to try and do some of it. And see what happens. Because I can. That was kind of gray. And I like this turquoise, I said. Brazenly trying to do things with my left hand again. Maybe a little more purple. The timer's going to go off, and I'm going to tell you guys there's always a contest running for contributors through PayPal or Patreon. If you contribute, your email will be sent to me, and I will enter you in this month's drawing for one of 7 paintings, as long as this video is airing still in March. Or early, super early April. Assuming it's going to air at all. I kind of want to try to do what I was thinking of doing, which is to take, where are you, the green, that looks like a little seed. Super simple, I know. I'm going to have to do something about that. So this is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio and Gallery in the backyard, saying thank you for joining me, thank you for all the compliments, thank you for putting up with the beeping of the timer, and I will see you in another video anon. And if you want to do something real simple that takes a little longer than some of the other things that I usually do, this is not a bad thing to try. Even though it's not perfectly done. I will show you what I have. And that was kind of fun. Okay, so thanks for all the compliments and all the contributions in the past, and I will see you guys anon. Hopefully in the next video. I hope you have lots of fun painting. If I don't touch those all the way to the next flower, they might dry and not run into each other. I guess it doesn't matter.